In this guide, I'll show you how to activate your PlayStation Network account as your primary account on your PS5. So the first thing you want to do is sign into your main PSN, where you've purchased most of your games, have PlayStation Plus and more, and then you want to select the settings cogwheel in the top right corner. Now from here, scroll down and select users and accounts. Then on the left sidebar, you want to scroll down to other, and we're going to go to console sharing and offline play. Now, once you're here, it should say enable. If it says disable, that means this PSN is already the primary. When you set it as your primary account, what this essentially does is it shares all of your games, PlayStation Plus, and media with all the other users on your PS5, and they'll also be able to access a lot of these features offline. However, there are some restrictions. First, you can only set one PSN as your primary account on your PS5, and with this PSN account, you can only set it as primary on one console, so you can't have it set to multiple ones. If this guide was helpful, like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.